If you watched last week's video about Minecraft, you'll realize I'm in the same outfit with the same hair. If not, I'll link it below. Go check it out because I'm sure if you're clicking on this one, your kids love Minecraft. They probably do. Or you like Minecraft too. Either way, check out that video too. But today, we are talking about dun 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 dun, helping your kids with computer coding. So the reason I'm doing 2 videos in one sitting recording session is because we are getting ready to go to Cape Cod. I will be posting this video on the Monday that we are there, but I'm not going to be recording while I'm on vacation. I will, however, post a vlog of the things we did and the things we learned while we were at the Cape next Monday. So hang out for that. Yeah, let's get started. So in today's age, coding is getting huge. I'm almost 30 years old, so if you're around my age, a little bit younger, a little bit older, you have been there for all of the growing technologies over the years. Now, my husband is 8 years older than I am, and even with that age difference, there are a lot of differences with our proficiency with computers, especially typing. I type really, really fast. I don't have to look at the keyboard. I'm really proficient in typing. My husband, on the other hand, uses 2 fingers and stares and does this. He's so mad. Let me type it for you. Anywho. Whew, okay. So when our son became interested in coding, we looked around at the current programs and realized that it has changed a whole heck of a lot even since we were kids, especially since my husband was a kid, but even since I was a kid. So I learned about as much HTML as it took to make my MySpace pretty, and my husband learned a little bit on C. Now, those really aren't used anymore. So when our son talked about coding and computer programming and robots, we had no idea where to start. No idea. No idea. So this is the first book I found. Help your kids with computer coding. Yes, please. Please help me, help him. Help me. Help him, because I'm starting from ground zero just like he is. Which is cool. So this book starts with Scratch, and then it moves into Python and Java. So Scratch is where you should start, especially if your child is young and they have no experience when it comes to coding, or you have very little experience when it comes to coding. So Scratch is a free program that you can download from the MIT website, and there are lots of books to help out with that. It's a drag and drop program. And there are so many workbooks out there that can take you through how to make a simple game and just get kids used to, if I do this, then this happens, and different languages used with coding. And of course, how very specific you have to be in order for the game to work, and trying your game to make sure you did everything correctly. And because it's drag and drop, it's a great place to start. So it's not lines of code you have to go through and change and all of that. So we had 3. I don't know where the other one went. It's probably around here somewhere. We have a ton of books, so it's around here somewhere. But right now we're using these 2 books. We've had this one a little bit longer, and we just got this one from Usborne, and I'm super excited. So learn how to program with Scratch and coding for beginners using Scratch. So each one kind of takes you through different projects to try, and this is like the drag and drop. It has like a great little intro for Scratch, and these are illustrated beautifully, especially this one. It's so plain and simple. And because our son isn't quite reading and writing yet, he's learning it, he's practicing it. We sit down with him and help him through this and finding the items he needs to drag and drop and things like that. But he loves to sit on his dad's lap and create games using Scratch. It's so cool. So if you are starting out with coding, check out Scratch. Check out the many, many books and workbooks on Scratch to help you out. And of course, the Help Your Kids with Computer Coding book. And there's so many other books out there, but really just get started. Don't feel too overwhelmed because many parents are kind of in the same position. But coding is going to help our kids so much as they get older. A lot of the jobs are probably going to use it. If typing proficiency is on job applications now, I can only imagine what will be on the applications in 20 years with the rate of technology growth. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed it, give a big thumbs up. If you loved it, click subscribe. I post new videos on Monday, and I'll talk to you soon.